Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your compact black diamond Z poles. These Z poles are super compact and super light, but they can cause a bit of a headache to assemble. I'm going to show you how to do that today. So your black diamond collapsible poles will be your Z poles, which are the fixed height, or the FLZ, which are the Slidelock series, like this one I've got here, for example. Now these are really nifty poles because they obviously pack really short and they're often super light and compact. You can chuck them in your backpack, super easy, but they do appear to cause a fair bit of a headache for people trying to assemble them. So despite the fact that black diamond do have extensive instructions that come with their poles, they, as I mentioned before, they do cause a bit of havoc. So I'm going to walk you through it here. So on the top of this trekking pole here, we have our Slidelock section. If you have a fixed height trekking pole, you won't have the Slidelock section, but you will have a little collar here, which I'll show you right now. So the collar, as you can see, it has a little padlock there, which is currently unlocked. So what we're going to do is, grabbing the top of the handle of our trekking pole, we're just going to let it dangle like so. Then we're going to grab the insert or this little piece of the trekking pole that inserts up into the shaft. We're just going to grab that and we're just going to jiggle it down. And as you can see, the pole is coming together itself under perfect tension. So we don't want to fiddle with that too much by trying to put our poles together by hand. We're going to let it put itself together. Then once we get to that spot here, you'll see we've released a little padlock symbol on the shaft itself. Now holding one hand on the handle, one hand on the lower trekking pole shaft, we're going to give it a sharp yank, and then that will click into place. So I'm sure you heard that little click there, so I'm going to release it and we'll do that again. You should hear that sharp click. Now that sharp click tells you that it's actually locked into place and it's ready to go. If you don't hear that sharp lock, it means that the pole itself has not locked into its assembled state. So to pack the pole away, we're simply just going to grab onto this little collar. We're going to lift it up like so, release that section back up into the handle, and then from here we can use our hands to collapse the pole down and away. And that's about it. All you need to know for assembling your black diamond collapsible Z poles. You can get a range of black diamond poles at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you've got any questions or comments, chuck them below. You can head here to subscribe or here for more helpful videos.